So thank you so much, everyone, for coming. Thank you for introducing yourself. I'm learning about your background, your possible niche or service to your clients in the future. So let's start. Let me share my screen. Mm, Screen one. Screen one, screen two. Okay. So let's start with showing you how this academy started or paano ko naisip simulan. So can you see my screen? Very fast lang. I created a video of this,
Yes.
but this is the PDF form. Let me show you the full screen. Okay. So the launch of Freelancing Academy. So founder Kathy Luyon. So Genesis is the original beginning of something I wanna I want everything to be biblical, like how God impressed this to me. I mean, this happened sa isang disappointment, lowest point in my life where I failed 5 to 6 client interviews. I was so hopeless and I was so tired of applying, and then God just impressed me na, why mentor? Why mentor aspiring VAs, God? And He wants me to be productive. So that's my aha moment. My vision for families to thrive at home by having more freedom, reclaiming commute time. Of course, sa traffic pa lang sa Manila, I really don't like yung traveling without talking to anyone, like strangers. I mean, nade-drain yung energy ko doon. And reduce expenses, of course, you'll be able to save money from fare allowances, and you'll be able to save money also for food because you'll be cooking at home. You'll be setting a time to cook, prepare home cooked meals than eat outside. More presence because if you're a mother, you want to spend more time with your children. And yeah, also in Hello Reach, may mga um young moms doon or like yung kaka-deliver lang ng baby sila. Even to breastfeeding, they will just need to ask the trainers, magbe-breastfeed lang po or please close cam lang po ako so I can feed my baby. So it's very, very okay. Child care flexibility. So I said, um, this is something very helpful for moms, but I don't really encourage you telling your clients na you want to take care of your children more. That's why you want to work from home because it's not their concern. They're after your results. They're after what service you can offer. So the cooking, the chores, and all of those, if you can ask someone to supervise your child, your children, it's better and have like maybe a like a divider sa workstation mo kasi mahirap. Like, I have my niece talaga when I was working at night, she would go directly inside my room and tita wanna play. So I needed to find a rental house or room para meron akong time to sleep. So enhance work-life balance. I believe we wanna prioritize God every time in church to worship, weekends for family times, and also yeah, do leisure, spend your leisure time, find, pleasure with spending time with their family and friends because we don't want to just like earn money because it's more important to have someone to share it with, right? So improve family well-being. I believe if we're able to start learning about personal leadership, you have your calendar set, you have your priorities set, you know where to put your energy, you know who are the people you want to talk to, like yeah, those ones na hindi makaka-drain, hindi makaka-stress, diba? Those the ones that are helpful for our own growth, personal, professional, man yan, spiritual. So that's my vision for families to thrive at home. That's why we have the word Thrive Freelancing Academy. And I use the word freelancing because as virtual assistants, that's the ultimate goal, that we can handle our time, we can do our task on our own pace, on our own time. Kasi I don't want to actually work 8 hours night shift for my client or provider or clinic, right? So if I can like do it morning sana or whenever I can. So improve family well-being. Let's go. Next. Advocacy ko, by effectively managing the challenges, families can unlock the full potential of remote work and create a more harmonious and fulfilling lifestyle. I believe the world becoming so scary, we need the Bible, we need the community, we need the church. We need a strong family to thrive talaga in life. And we need to protect our children from vices, from bad influences, diba? And social media is, getting inside the home to influence the minds of the children as young as, 5. Kasi parents think that the phones are the solution for them to get busy, but actually they need more activities, more interaction to express their feelings, their thoughts. Yeah. And if you can actually save up for homeschooling, that's my goal actually. If I'll be able to be, a mom in the future, initially starting with working from home, why not try homeschooling na din? So if you're interested, I know Ate Janice, she's working with Homeschool Global as an advisor. If you wanna seek advice, consult, I can too. Thank you. Let's share screen and then continue. Sorry. Let me go back. Okay. Share screen full. Okay. So to admit all. To equip aspiring virtual assistants with the essential tools and community support to excel in the dynamic remote world, a work landscape, cultivating a future where they lead their fields as thriving VAs, contributing to flexible and meaningful work. So I was telling some of my students that I want to position you as experts
Ano ba sis?
kasi, oh, there's someone talking. Sorry.
Lang
Miss
yata.
Emmy. Miss
Balik ko
Emmy?
dyan.
Sorry. How do I mute everyone? Sorry. Okay. Thank
Sorry.
you. So I want to position you as expert because even you don't have virtual assistants experience, you have actually work experience that you can apply, that you can use as a virtual assistant. It's just the same thing. Difference lang is you're working remotely, diba? And you'll be working for Americans or foreign clients. So next. So this is my professional branding. This is our official Facebook page. So since I want you to be excellent, I want to, help you become leaders in your field in the future. So as we optimize your LinkedIn, you will actually be able to connect with CEOs, leaders in their fields, and you can be someone who can be a consultant also, who can mentor people sa field ninyo, 'di ba? So yeah, that's how visionary I am for people I see. So you will be a leader in the future too. So I was able to start sharing free virtual assistant resources. My goal is to start with a resume and then help you optimize your LinkedIn profile. And then the same with all job sites or job search platforms, you will improve your Upwork. We will improve your what else? Indeed is helping me get a lot of job alerts sa email ko. So that's where I want you to also improve your profile kasi with clients checking on your profile, you'll be able to get job alerts sa email directly. And with recruiters checking on you on your profile, they can actually message you personally. So what else? So it's just the first week. I shared this video kasi I'm just so happy with the blessing ni God. So with initially thinking about free webinars for my birthday every Fridays this April, I also thought about the one-on-one VA mentoring that if you're able to contribute 100 peso, it would be a big thing since we're using internet and electricity pa rin, but my service is free since I'm doing this muna as something I'm passionate about, talking to people, teaching. And I learned that if you want to master something, to apply things, apply knowledge or skills, you teach someone else. So I'm happy na full agad yung first week natin ng mga aspiring VAs. So we started with their resume and then LinkedIn. So yeah. So ito yung mga mentoring sessions ko with Filipinos. A lot of them are disciples, a lot of them from LinkedIn also. Um, I'm started building myself also network ko sa LinkedIn. So I am encouraging everyone to do that as well. If you do more of mindless scrolling sa Facebook, Instagram, let's do it in LinkedIn. This is where I was also encouraged to, dream more, dream big for God, for myself. I'll show you later how my LinkedIn looks like. Let's go. And happy to have session with um yung first, yung student, meron din si Ate Eva. We also have Sister Mark, nag-join din yan. to help aspiring VAs. Thank you so much, Sir Mark, for being here. I know you're doing this for free then, and thank you for supporting the academy. So I was also able to mentor global students. I was initially wanting to reach out to African people since Jerry, my boyfriend, is an African, a full-time minister there. I want to build friendship with people in Africa. So just to be familiar with their culture and all that. So I'm happy to get positive feedback from students from Indonesia, isa siyang tax specialist, Pakistani also, tama ba yung tawag doon? IT yata siya, si Ken, I know, I forgot the name, but he's from Kenya and another also from Nigeria. Mga virtual assistants na sila, mga experts sila sa content creation and design. Sa the one from Bangladesh, I will meet next week for practice ng English namin, ng interview, because he needed someone to translate the things I say para lang maka-understand and maka-answer siya. So, ito yung sample ng resume review. So, Ate Emmy, sinample ko na sa'yo, nilagay ko yung photo mo. Si John, simulan niya nang gawin yung sa kanya. From scratch yung kay Vic Vic. Tapos kay Mina din from scratch. So, I'm happy to help you with composing, we create compelling na mga um, job descriptions or job roles or titles ninyo sa LinkedIn also. So, ito yung sample ng mga banners I created for people. We encourage that you use or you put a mission statement that once people visit your profile in LinkedIn, they will see what service you can offer. For example, si Christine Maries Arahales, sabi niya, I offer professional virtual assistant services to help you manage your workload and achieve your business goals. Si Amara naman, this is the tax specialist. I deliver proactive, detailed, or focused tax and admin support. Si Army, yan, sabi niya, proactive virtual assistant for your admin and customer service needs. So, meron lang email dyan and phone number. And I believe nasa hospitality industry siya since may experience siya with cruise. Yeah, I believe, I remember, yun yung kanyang field. I think other great news, I was encouraging people to try to work from home by my first ebook, The Remote Advantage. But Jerry, my boyfriend, commented na it's more of ano pala, benefits of working from home than strategy. So we'll work on that to improve that. So meron tayong 54 students. I mean, though hindi pa sila lahat committed to attend in the webinar, but I see their interest and they're willing to learn how to transition to become VAs. And we started collaboration also with VAs. I started with Don from Dumaguete. He's a brother I met from my original home church sa ICOCQC. He's working from home, though BPO daw yung company niya eh. So, di talaga freelancer or VA, but he's working for a BPO at home. He's an IT. So, next naman, si Christine, she's my former choir mate. Nag-join yung school nila to help us sa presentation sa Manulife. It's a BPO in Quezon City. Ni-specialize niya naman is customer service, content creation, engagement sa community. And meron siyang 3 clients, I believe. Dalawa doon ay part-time, isang full-time. And yung dalawang part-time niya is nag-assign siya ng help sa mom niya. Ginawa niya na rin virtual assistant yung mom niya. So si Beng, she's someone we will interview later. She'll be here 7 p.m. daw. So we'll wait for that. For those aspiring to become Hello Rach Healthcare VAs, we will learn more from her. So, yan, good news. I grow my profile na rin sa LinkedIn because I was continuing to share valuable what's this contents. Like my interests are yung mga mental health, self-care, yung mga brain health articles. Kasi I believe everyone sharing there are leaders already or CEOs or people having other businesses, and ang focus natin is how to take care of people, how to take care of ourselves, boundaries, we want to eradicate yung bullying in the workplace. We want to prioritize family time, work-life balance. So yun yung mga interest ko, and I encourage you to also reach out if you want someone, a specialist, for example, na doctor. You can actually get free insights if you like message them directly than going to a real clinic, diba, to ask. So that's the benefit of leveraging your LinkedIn profile and reaching out to professionals there. So online bookings, thank you so much dun sa next batches natin that I will meet, and marami pang slots for you guys. So Whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. First Corinthians 10:31. I believe si God ang naging reason for starting the academy, and we're just giving him back all the glory. So let's start with the webinar proper. Okay. This is my first time to actually create a PowerPoint. I realize ano pala siya, much formal siya than Canva. Canva is so full of colors. So yeah, Virtual Assistants 101. That's our main topic. That's our course. And if you're able to finish all 4 days or Fridays, you'll get a certificate, which I will just request for 100 peso for me to send you that. So this is a concise overview of virtual assistants, our roles, benefits, and how to get hired, covering essential tools and effective collaboration tips. So that's how a virtual assistant looks like. Pero nasa office pa pala siya, BPO yata yan. Okay, so course outline natin. Today you'll have step-by-step guide, how to get started as a VA. April 11, this is the second Friday of April. VA tools naman tayo and skills. Though matatouch na natin yung skills today. 18 naman, 0 to VA Pro, meaning ito yung mga niche natin, helping you to build your business since as virtual assistants, you will actually be a business owner. Like, you will not be the usual employed na a professional kasi you will need to process your tax. That's where I want to help you also tax preparation. So you can actually ask help from a bookkeeper like Sheila, or you can actually, me, I personally studied how to put my pay to get yung computation ng kailangan kong bayaran sa BIR. So, if we start it righteously, God will bless our business. Wherever you go, you think about God, you're aware of His presence, He will bless you wherever you go. So, April 25, ito na yung graduation natin. Touch lang tayo onte about scaling your business. Ito na yung siguro email marketing from John Pagulayan, who actually helps people to get clients through email marketing because it's the best way to reach clients by tailoring yung services mo, and then how you can tell them na ito yung pwede kong gawin. Maybe improve your network or yung online presence mo in social media, or maybe help you with your admin task. So AI, I'm using Gemini. Gemini is very helpful with me um creating yung mga invites ko, yung mga pag-compose ng mga, though idea ko naman siya initially, I just ask AI to improve it. So we don't rely actually sa robot entirely, but we'll just use it to leverage to improve our, just a tool, and we need to use them responsibly. So webinar day one, we'll understand the role of VAs, core responsibilities, and key skills, types of VAs, why businesses hire VAs, and the interview with Bang. I was thinking about a quiz, pero relax mood lang muna tayo today. We'll have a script for your phone certification. We'll hear you ni Sir Mark how you answer phone calls. Maybe just ring ring. Hi, I'm Kathy from Optimal Home Care. So yan yung aking clinic. Later I'll be working. And we'll have scenarios siguro how you answer or tailor yung service mo or yung script mo dun sa need ng client. And admin task exam. Madali lang naman yun. Siguro more of typing test. And then maybe I need to know how concise you are. I know how detailed you are in looking at, errors sa mga documents. Alamin natin yung kung gaano ka keen to observe kung accurate ba tong data na to or not. So let's go. And scheduling also. Maybe we can just use Google Calendar for that. So, a virtual assistant is a remote professional who provides various support services to businesses, entrepreneurs, executives, or organizations. This role allows for flexibility as most VAs work from home or any location with an internet connection. VAs can handle a wide range of tasks, allowing their clients to focus on the core activities of their business. So, for me, I worked as a scribe, medical scribe for a neurologist before. And instead of him typing everything ng sinasabi ng patient, I can write the data information we are getting from the client live. So the choice for him is for me to like scribe it for him, create the care plan, and then it's up to him if he wants my notes. And I'm happy naman when he sees my notes, sasabihin niya na, oh, I like your note, let's go with your notes. Pag he wants to like curate or edit it, we'll just like do a little editing. So yeah. And I'm helping the neurologist have more time to talk to the patient, diba? So initially, as healthcare VA, we need white coat for Hello Rach. Nire-require yan kasi important yung presence natin sa webcam if the client will require us to open our camera during working with them. And I use this, my second Jabra noise canceling. That's very important to minimize yung mga um, um, pagtahol ng aso, yung mga tilaok ng manok. So, yun yung mga iniwasan natin, background noises. I used Plantronics as a 5-1 talk teacher before, and this is my second one. Yun yung mga, so yung quote pala is 500 sa Lazada din, and then 2,000 naman almost tong headset ko. Yeah, let's go. Core responsibilities of a VA. Admin task. This includes managing emails, scheduling appointments, organizing files, and data entry. I believe almost all of this nagawa ko to dun sa neurology center. I was scheduling patients for appointments. I was also answering back sa inquiries sa emails. Files, not so much kasi meron namang EHR where you can, yeah, I think also. Parang medical record specialist ka din that time kasi you will organize, i-upload mo dun sa electronic records or kung ano man yung CRM or system ng client mo, yung mga important documents that they need to keep. Data entry, that's very easy. You'll just type in maybe sa spreadsheet or Word document the things your client wants you to, input. Customer service, some VAs handle customer service or support, answering emails, messages, managing inquiries, and providing assistance via chat, phone, or email. So, yeah, meron silang mga system tools that they will give you, maybe Ring Central, WebEx, that you can use as phone, and that's actually their phone system. And we also need VPN because a lot of the system in the US we can't get inside if we don't have VPN. So we use VPN to hide our URLs. Kasi pag nalaman na parang outsider or from other countries na we can't get into their system, but the VPN has the power to give us access to the system nila. So next, social media management. Ito yung pinaka in demand right now since all businesses are going online. If you want to support sa creative team ng isang client, you can do this. I encourage you to go learn how to do this by enrolling sa mga, short courses, how to learn maybe Canva, how to do Facebook ads, how to um, network, or maybe also to, you know, invite clients to get yung product I mean, invite people or customers to get your clients' products or services. VAs can schedule posts, ayan. Meron ding mga apps or software that you can actually schedule yung pagpo-post. Kasi yun ang importante with your online presence, that you have a regular posting time, especially if you have knowledge about what's the best time to target, siguro mga, for example, moms, if you're like selling products that would cater baby's needs. Yeah. So that would be maybe after work or pag nasa bahay na yung mga parents, diba? Assist with content creation strategy for various social media platforms. So if magaling ka na with Facebook, Instagram, you can actually use that knowledge to help your clients like build their online presence. Bookkeeping, financial support, ito yung like with Sheila. She is an accountant and I saw she has like LinkedIn free certificate. So you can go to LinkedIn also for free learning courses that you want to explore, like leadership, like, yeah, bookkeeping, to get some, knowledge certificate to enhance your skills. Some VAs assist with invoicing, managing expenses, and keeping financial records. So next is project management. VAs often help keep project on track using tools like Trello or Asana to assign tasks, monitor deadlines, and communicate with team members. So if you see like free courses or if there's like a minimum ano charge lang naman 250 or 500 minsan abot sila ng thousands. Trello or Asana training, you go grab the opportunity kasi that will be your edge, especially if you know already your niche. You'll be focusing on where you can grow professionally as VA. Content creation, writing blog posts, creating marketing materials, drafting newsletters, and even video editing. So, ito na-harness ako dito because I present mga monthly birthdays sa church. Ayan, so best friend ko na si Canva. I'm learning how to create videos. Nagpo-post din ako for our ICOC or mock church. Ako yung nag-handle ng social media page namin. So, yeah. Actually, you can learn how to start writing with the help of AI by creating ebooks, newsletter. That's what valuable contents you can give to your, audience, maybe sa platform mo sa LinkedIn or sa Facebook. Kasi, pero syempre, like LinkedIn is more professional, newsletter talaga yan na. In the future, you can actually have them subscribe sa inyo automatically and yeah, maybe earn from it, diba? Next, research. Many VAs handle market research, competitor analysis, or product sourcing, depending on the client's needs. Personal assistance. I think all of us can do this general assistance, general virtual assistance task. Some VAs help with personal tasks for clients, booking travel, managing personal calendars, or handling personal emails. Okay, next. So I just want to show you my workstation. This is how my current workstation look like. So I'm renting. I'm all alone here. I just visit the house if I need some dish. So that's my Nitro 5 Core i5 laptop. It's a gaming laptop. I was able to get for maybe 70,000 na nakihitch lang ako sa credit card ng friend ko in Manila. I was able to pay 4,000 every month from my HelloRich income. And this one, yung malaking monitor, ni-require ko niyan sa work ko where I work as medical record specialist, to have better view, bigger view of the documents. So, yung laptop is Logitech. Logitech also yung aking mouse. And if you have something soft, para you can rest your wrist kasi at risk ang mga typers sa carpal tunnel syndrome, if you know that. Magkakaroon ka ng mga tingling kasi sobrang overuse yung ating hands for typing. So, let's go. Key skills for a VA. Communication, this is very, very important. That's why I encourage us to speak in English ngayon pa lang para matest natin yung English proficiency natin. Since VAs work remotely, effective written and verbal communication is crucial for staying in touch with clients and understanding their needs. I remember si Sir Mark, he was sharing sa students na you need to be accountable to your clients kasi working remotely and sometimes without camera or they don't see us. So it's very important we report. Like pag may pag may binigay silang task, we update them. What's the progress? What's the status of the task we're working on? Kasi if you're not hearing from us, like I was working with a VA also dun sa work ko sa mental health facility yon as medical record specialist. It takes time for her daw to reply. So see yung image na iisip na ng client, oh, maybe she's working for another client kapag di nakarinig from you. And also, I want to encourage us with becoming assertive. If you need to ask something, aside dun sa due diligence natin to research, maybe YouTube sa mga software tools that we can like research naman, ask Google for simple things. But if you really are new to the industry, new to the task, you can ask your trainer about it, like just list down the things you want to know and take down notes, like use your notepad to write everything because they don't really want to repeat themselves all the time if you are always asking about your task. I want to also emphasize boundaries. We don't want to feel really, really close to our clients, but at least you can share something about life, about our day-to-day activities. But the personal things, I encourage you to have your support group, your family, your core group, where you can express your thoughts, your emotions, because it can be really challenging as a virtual assistant if you don't have someone to talk to. It's important you have someone to process your thoughts and your emotions with. I mean, I want to prioritize an emphasis to self-care, to mental health, because you don't have office mates this time, and you don't have socialization with workmates. So I encourage you to just have your core group, your support group na yung may hingahan mo ng mga struggles mo everyday. Kasi before we face another day, we need to process everything para clean slate tayo the next day. Kasi it's very, very difficult if naipon mo siya inside. One day mag-outburst ka na lang. One day you'll have anger management issues, and I don't want that to happen to you. So I'm encouraging you, if you feel like you're struggling with mental illness or something, condition, you get yourself checked to get the right diagnosis and intervention. And by connecting to specialists, leaders in church, seeking advices, you'll get the right resources. You'll know the Bible is the best tool. Praying is the best tool. Going to God is the best decision before deciding when you're emotional. So that's what I encourage you about. Communication, filtering also. We stay professional, business talk lang tayo. If nag-initiate naman si client to talk about how are you, a little bit lang. Okay. Organization, VAs need to manage multiple tasks and clients at once, requiring strong organizational skills to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. So, I want to show you my calendar. I don't really insist you become disorganized, but this is very helpful for me. My manager in Sun Life helped me learn how to block my calendar. So at least you have the Sunday for your church. So naka-base na pala to sa Denver Home Health. So as you see, I will take nap after this, eat, and then this is my work later. So ayan, naka-block yung sleep time ko. That's very important. Kasi if you have a routine, very important that we have a sleep routine. I will also share with you that if you're having a hard time, maybe kids, awake na sila sa morning. Ay, nakashare ba ako? Not sure. Yes, okay. Ay, nakashare ba ako? Hindi pala, no? Calendar. Ayan. So, am I sharing my screen now? Wala pa.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
share
Anong nakikita nyo?
calendar.
Okay, calendar. So, ayan. It helps for me. Ano na bang gagawin ko dapat? Ano na ba? So, punta lang ako sa calendar ko. So, ito yung mga activities ko. Weekend is for Bible talk and worship. So, I wake up mga 4 p.m. Saan ba tayo? Ayan. So, next week, I want you to learn how to block your calendar para lang mas maging organized. Kasi yung organizational skills niyo will actually extend how you organize yourself sa client mo. If you really sound like wala kang system, wala kang leadership, personal leadership, like the client will know na ay parang ang gulo nitong kausap, or parang how will I be able to rely on you if you're not really organized in your personal life first, 'di ba? Tapos, yeah, we show excellence. We give excellent results to clients. So I encourage you to do this. Like I have my prayer time with my boyfriend. Sacred time ko yan with him. I prioritize him at that time. If hindi siya naka-stick sa time na yan, okay, sorry, Kai, I have something to do. So, yeah, I mean, sleep time, nap time before work, that's important for me. Please remind also yourself to, if it's time to eat na, it's time to, yeah, at least a lot self-care time. Where ba yun? Ito, self-care time ko, Saturday, after date online. That's very important. I mean, as you as you learn about God, learn about yourself, you learn how to take care of yourself, boundaries with people, saying no to what really drains you and saying yes to what matters most, and to people who really you value, diba? So let me stop share. Let's go back dun sa sige, share pa rin, pero ko-close ko lang yung calendar. Where is, okay, virtual assistant. Ayun na pala si Beng. Beng, welcome. Thank you so much. Nakasleep ka na ba? Where is the, how to view this? Ayan. Thank you. So, organization. Tech savviness. So, this is very important. I know everyone, even our children, are tech savvy na ngayon. We have a lot of tools to learn, so I hope, I pray that you'll be really, really fast. And if it's really hard for you to navigate a system, you ask your trainer, you ask your client how to do it. But Google, YouTube has it, everything you need to know. You just need to do your due diligence to research para malaman naman ni client na, you're making effort. You're not really fully reliant sa kanila. Software, project management tools, communication platforms. Okay. Time management, as I said, I showed you yung calendar blocking. As a remote worker, a VA must be disciplined in managing their own time and ensuring they meet deadlines without direct supervision. At least minimum lang talaga. Problem solving. Clients rely on VAs to help solve problems quickly and efficiently. So critical thinking is a valuable skill. So I want to show you lang yung backup ko. So sa internet, I have Smart Pro, pero I realized yung SIM pala I can use also sa phone ko as hotspot. Initially, I used ProMate as my power backup. That's 8,000 from Lazada. It can only support laptop, electric fan, and phone, maybe charger. And kasi I had a client na naging employed ako and I have two monitors and CPU. So I need a larger power backup. That's the generator. I need to like learn pa how to pull it kasi medyo hindi siya women friendly. So yan. This one is I think 15,000. Tinulungan naman ako ng company to buy that. Balik tayo. Types of VAs. General VA, I think all of you can do this. Admin task yan. Scheduling, email management, data entry, customer support. Specialized, I can actually have healthcare dito. Bookkeeping, yung mga accountant, social media sa mga creative. Customer support, yung mga galing BPOs natin, yung mga call center agents can do that. I believe also yung mga nasa hospitality. Yeah. I mean, if you're able to serve your clients, if you're a nurse, your patients, in person, mas ma-reserve mo lang yung energy mo ngayon kasi walang connection, human connection, and ano lang, more of, I think, mental activities and ano ba, decision making or yan, yung mga skills na magagamit mo as VAs. Executive Assistant VA provides high-level admin support. Business owners, same, calendars to, travel, meetings. Ito yung VAs for healthcare. You can support your doctors, providers to have more time with their patient kasi ikaw nagagawa ng admin nila. Like si Beng, our guest speaker later, is doing medical billing. So if you are in the healthcare industry, you can actually upskill by learning about medical billing and coding kasi yan yung in demand sa ating industry. Let's go. Creative, ito yung Canva. Ayan, yung mga video editing. Tech VA, ito yung mga IT related. Managing website, troubleshooting technical issues, handling tech support. So very helpful din sila sa mga agencies kasi kayo yung i-consult ng mga VAs and i-test niyo yung mga speed test ng mga computer nila, ng mga internet nila, yung mga specs ng computer before sila isabak or ipasa ng mga trainers. Very helpful kayo dyan. Next, why businesses hire virtual assistants? So sabi dito sa VA statistics, demand for VAs are going up, expected to reach $15.88 billion billion, sorry. Uh, $15.88 billion by 2028. We can help businesses with admin, creative, and technical. So let's be ready to build our skills and reputation. Very important. The virtual assistant is booming. Everyone, everything is going digital, diba? New norm na ang remote work starting pandemic, right? So instead of hiring talaga, for me, a medical assistant na magkaalat pa sila ng space, ng computer, kuryente pa nila, you're actually offering your service na ready ka na talaga with all the essential tools. Babayaran ka na lang nila for your service. So, you're helping mag-cut costs yung businesses. Yan, cost effective kasi instead of hiring a full-time in-house employee, mag-outsource na lang sila ng remote, ng someone like you, virtual assistants. na meron ka ng equipment, meron ka na rin, 'di ba, electricity and internet. Flexibility, some of the clients would be, as needed basis kayo para kayong on call whenever they need you. So I encourage whenever you have call with a client, you write down everything, you ask questions para when you're like offline or they're busy also doing their business or management, task or roles, maasahan nila kayo na alam niyo yung ginagawa niyo. Next, focus on core activity. So by outsourcing yung mga admin tsaka routine tasks to VA, they can focus on product development and sales. Diba? For doctors naman, patient care. Access to a broader talent pool. Hiring a VA allows businesses to access specialized skills from anywhere which may not be available locally. So I want to say that Americans, foreigners would want to have Filipinos as their workers because we are hard workers, right? And becoming online, you're able to access Filipino services because we're well known talaga sa hospitality, sa pagiging all out natin, going beyond what is being asked from us. So let's maintain that reputation. Working as a virtual assistant, ito yung three concepts. We'll have independence, or there's independence. We are required to be independent. As a VA, you are often an independent contractor, meaning you'll need to manage your own business tasks such as setting rates, creating contracts, and paying taxes. So I encourage everyone to get a bookkeeper or go to BIR, talk to the officer of the day to learn how to file your taxes kasi we want a clean business, we want good reputation, and if ayaw naman nating habulin tayo ni BIR na sabihin na natin a lot of VAs are earning big na already pero we don't wanna imitate them not paying taxes, di ba? So work-life balance, many VAs enjoy the flexibility of remote work, setting their own hours and balancing their personal, professional lives. However, like I was saying sa communication skills natin, establish boundaries to prevent burnout din. You know your priorities, you be assertive with your needs, especially family events, or kung may mga important errands kayo or time na need kayo ng children nyo, syempre, be assertive of that. Especially if they know that you're giving excellent results, talagang pagbibigyan kayo niyan if you request them the time for your family or any other things you wanna request. Kasi a lot of agencies are trying to transition to giving HMO benefits or like yung parang employed ka na talaga para lang magstay ka with them. Client relationships, since most VAs work with multiple clients, building strong professional relationship is key to getting repeat business and referrals. So I believe when I started this initiative, yung academy, yung webinars, yung one-on-one mentoring, nagbigay lang ako ng value to people and God bless me with a referral. Now, in-interview ako without really, bragging about my achievements or experience, but actually binasa nila yung aking profile and yung trust kay Coco Enrile, who's our brother and evangelist in church. I'm so honored. I want to give my best sa client ko. So, in summary, a virtual assistant plays a crucial role in helping businesses with a variety of tasks that allow the client to focus on growing their business or managing more critical tasks. VAs can work in many different niches, from admin, creative, technical support, making it a versatile career choice with great flexibility. So this was me when before pandemic. So it was very timely na nag-decide yung mom ko to go sa province niya kasi yeah, much safer and fresher sa province. And then I decided not to work from home galing sa BPO Manulife. I was earning maybe 60 pesos every 25 hour that time. And I said, I need to earn more to provide, medication for my mom. And ito, I applied sa Hello Rage. Medyo tumaba tayo kasi naging coping ko dyan is food. So I want you to help yourself find healthier ways to cope with stress. Kasi wala rin akong processing that time. Wala pa akong boyfriend. Wala rin akong share screen. Na-admit ko na lahat. Okay, so going back, I just want to show sample job application requirements. Di naman to applicable sa lahat, pero for VA's healthcare, yes, I got this from Hello Rich, na platform. So Coolblue also was my agency, Honest Taskers. So resume, so putting your photo is very helpful. You just have personal profile. I can help you naman with that sa AI. We can ask to improve your job roles, job description, certification na recently you got. You can put there. HIPAA is important for healthcare VAs for confidentiality. Tapos, yan, you just put your job experience. And then this is the second page. Yan. So, simple lang. Modern template na to from Canva. Okay, let's go. Next, admit all pa rin ako. Okay, let's go to the next. Nasa Google form din ito, kaya yung iba found it very difficult to fill out everything kasi, yeah, I want to orient you in how it goes with online job application. So, intro video, encourage to sa amin healthcare VAs kasi parang instead of setting a meeting with you, dun sa intro video mo, makikilala ka na nila how you speak in English, how you communicate, how you talk, yeah. So I can also help you with scripts, how to create your video. Kasi I also observe with kahit admin task lang ng mga virtual assistant, they require also intro video. At least you have something ready. Computer specs, ina-ask yan. So, sa settings ito, or sa part ng about ng computer mo, you can screenshot that. And also, we have this, a cover letter. I can help you with this. I can give a template. You'll just change the company name or your service na i-offer mo. Also, ito, disc assessment requirement din yan, I think, for HR ito to determine maybe your personality or, yeah. So, this is my English proficiency. B2 ako eh. So, I need to improve pa on this. Alam ko, close na siya sa fluent, pero may na-applyan akong something, eh, hindi ako pumasa sa English proficiency. So, I was advised to improve on my English. So, with those naman who's having challenges for in speaking English, I can help you. We can practice our interviews or how you can answer your future clients. So, speed test, ito, medyo mataas na tong sa akin kasi 1899 ito sa Globe. So, our backup is, syempre, opposite ng network that you're using. Smart. Yeah, marami na ngayon ang iba pang network, 'di ba? Next, typing test. So, our goal is to get 40 initially. Please practice. Next week, we'll see if you can reach 50 and the ultimate is 60. Pero ano na yon, siguro sa mga scribes na yon na requirement ang 60 words per minute. Yan, nadala rin lang yan ng practice. So, nakita nyo 99.7 pa kasi may error din ako sa mga letters ko. Di ko fina-follow yung standard na position ng finger. So, you will become whoever you want to be by Paul Arden. So, if you envision yourself, if you know you're rooted in God, your identity is in God. God wants you to flourish, to blossom as disciples, as Christians. And we will be famous because of God and not because of ourselves. And lahat ng talents natin, we need to give it back to Him. Because without Him, wala rin naman tayo, diba? So, a scripture lang to share about excellence. Excellent behavior brings glory to God from First Peter 2:11 to 12. Let's have the interview now with Jobel Beng Prodigalidad. So, as I mentioned, she is my friend from BPO. Meet ko siya sa Manulife. I was a summarizer there. Let me stop share. Ipipin ko na lang si Beng. And I have questions ready for you, Beng. Are you ready? Nakasleep ka na ba?
Yes. Hi, Kat. Hi, everyone.
So, thank you
Can
so
you hear
much
me?
for being here. I mean, yeah, mag-work pa tayo later night, no? Pero I admire you for your being an intentional mom sa kids mo. So, yeah, let's start. Let me just pin you, ha, para makita ka nila. Pin si Beng. Okay, question number one. So, can you please introduce yourself or tell us something about outside being a VA muna? Yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of work before becoming a VA. First works
Mhm.
a BPO. My first work is with as a customer service representative for three different companies. I work as a CSR and I've handled different accounts then.
Mm.
Kasi hindi siya related sa nursing. So, I have handled credit card, debit card, hotel,
Mm.
satellite radio. Kaya all of it were based in US. Tapos, I worked as a chat support agent in Convergys. Parang, stay ako dun parang more than 3 years, ganyan. And then, I worked as a BPA or Business Process Associate in Manulife. Our work is more of data entry, coding, and that's where I met that. And then, I work as a nurse sa hospital. Sabi ko parang, parang unrelated lahat ng mga work ko before with nursing, with my course. Kaya nag-decide ako mag-work sa hospital kasi I felt na unfulfilled kasi. So I worked sa hospital, I worked sa ward ng 1.5 year. Tapos nagpa-transfer ako sa dialysis unit. Tapos nag-work ako sa dialysis nurse, as a dialysis nurse for 1 year. And then, after that, parang during pandemic kasi, mawawalan ako ng yaya, ng nanny for my kids. So, it's more of a need na kailangan ko umalis dun sa hospital work ko to become, to have a work from home job. Nasabi ko, parang, anytime nandun ako sa mga kids ko, tapos I don't need yaya na. So, nag-apply ako first, nag-apply nga ako going back to BPO. Kaya lang, ang sabi nila, kailangan, ang pwede lang daw nilang offer sa akin is hybrid setup. Yung mag-work ka ng 2 days sa labas, tapos mag-work
Office.
ka work ka sa bahay. So, pag hindi ako pwede doon, sabi ko, kailangan ko yung full-time na work from home. Kaya napadpad ako
Mm.
sa Hello Rich as a VA.
Thank you, Thank you, Bang, for sharing. No, I mean, sinabi mo na pala lahat ng work experience mo. I was hoping like to share more about your sons, na malaki na sila and something like that. But it's okay. Thank you so much. So, first question natin, diba? Can you walk us through your journey of landing your first virtual assistant? What step did you take to get there? Is Hello Reach by your first VA job?
Yes,
Okay.
first VA shop ko Hello Rich. First, naman, nag-apply lang. Tapos, during the application, they needed, parang, na-interview ako. And then, after nung interview, pag nakapasa ka doon, they will gonna give you parang, for qualifying exam ka na. Parang ganun. Pag nakapasa ka sa qualifying exam, then that's the time na mababatch ka dun sa next upcoming batch na for training. Ganun.
Wow. Awesome.
Tapos, ayun.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Ayun lang.
Sorry, na-distract kita. So, I wanna like share lang na ano to, parang amazing kasi nandiyan ko pa rin sa Hello Rich, naka 3 clients na ako, diba? And now, nasa medical billing ka, nagagamit mo yung parang background mo with credit cards and all that, diba, sa BPO. So, good niche siyang napuntahan mo.
Akala ko nga before parang hindi ko siya magagamit kasi parang yung mga relation, parang relation ng mga BPO experience ko with
Yeah.
all of the things na hindi ko alam na magagamit ko pala siya ngayon. Parang gano'n.
Yes, yes.
So,
Actually,
diba?
for everyone to know, BPO talaga is the top most requirement for aspiring VAs or applicants na VAs kasi talking to clients, customer service, hindi ka nakakabahan, parang almost fluent ka na eh. Parang first language mo na yung English, with confidence ka na to speak with clients and, Americans as BPO call center agent. So thank you, Beng, for sharing. Number two question, what were some of the biggest challenges you faced during your early days as a virtual assistant, and how did you manage to overcome these obstacles?
Pero ang pinaka-biggest challenge ko talaga actually yung typing. Kasi hindi
Typing.
talaga ako mabilis mag-type. So yun talaga yung kailangan, yun talaga yung inuuna ko kasi parang during the hello rage kasi hindi ka na tatanggapin. Pag hindi ka mabilis mag-type na, parang ganun.
40
Parang
ba that
mag-apply ako,
time? 40 words per minute.
at least 40 words ka para ano na lang yun, para after training,
Describe.
naka 50 ka na. Parang gano'n. So parang dapat nasa 40s ka na habang nag-a-apply ka. Parang
Good job.
gano'n.
Na-practice mo siya.
So, na-practice ko siya, hindi ko akalain makaka-50 pala ako after training. So, mahirap
Congrats.
for me.
So yun lang ba yung biggest challenge mo as in early days was VA?
Well,
Tulog kaya?
really
Tulog or
mahirap.
managing mom roles? Ganyan.
Actually, yung tulog, kasi ano, sanay kasi ako sa puyat kasi nag-BPO nga tayo,
Kaya.
tapos nag-work pa tayo sa hospital, so 24 hours na tayong ano doon. So, parang sa hospital niya, parang mas ano pa kasi 12 hours kami. So, medyo
Wow.
sobrang nandun ka lang. So, mas mahirap nga yun. Tapos, sanay naman kasi tayo ng puyatan. Isa sa mga challenges ko din is I think yung ano, siyempre pag bago ka sa work, bago lahat. So, lahat ng mga apps sa aralin mo. Diba? Parang usual naman yun sa mga work. And with regards to the medical billing, kasi wala akong parang background with it. Parang meron lang akong background is a customer service representative, which is, I applied naman as a front desk yung mga previous, client ko. Pero nung napunta ako sa medical billing, parang wala kasi akong background about it. So medyo struggle din sa umpisa kasi you have to learn everything. Yung gano'n.
Yeah.
So, sa umpisa, ang hirap talaga kasi makikipag-usap ka sa insurance, makikipag-usap ka sa patient, makikipag-usap ka sa lahat. Iintindihin mo kung paano mo siya i-explain sa mga
Yeah.
patient, tapos paano ka makakapag-debates dun sa insurance, kung paano ka nila babayaran pa yun. So,
Oo.
mahirap siya, pero as time goes by, ano naman, ma-adapt mo naman, ganun pala yun. Matututo ka kasi with the experience that you have. So, madali na lang siya after.
Mm.
Kasi ganun naman talaga pag-work. Pero mahirap talaga siya sa umpisa. Lalo na pag medical billing.
Awesome, Bem. How about like irate patients kaya? How do you handle it? Like emotionally, may nakapag sabi ba sa'yo ng bad words na galit or something? How are you able to be calm
Um,
and just compose answering yung patient sa needs niya?
Actually, hindi ko alam paano ko siya ginagawa. Kasi kapag may mga irate na patient na katulad sa amin, pag billing kasi medyo irate ang patient kasi pera.
Yeah.
So, ako, pag tatawagan ko yung patient, usually kasi pag irate na tinatawagan ko na para hindi na siya magagalit. Ganun.
Wow.
Mag-apologize na ako agad. Kahit na,
Be
para
humble,
kumbaga, ano
no?
na sila,
Admit your mistake,
para ano
no?
sila, para hindi na sila, mas
Defensive.
magalit pa, parang gano'n.
Ah,
Mag-apologize na ako agad kahit hindi ka makasalanan. Gano'n, para hindi na sila magagalit agad. Tapos, mag-explain ako kung bakit naging ganon. Bakit naging ganon. Para ma-better understand nila kung saan nanggaling yung problem. Para ma-defend ko rin sa sarili ko, hindi naman talaga sa amin. Galang ganito kasi yung nangyari. Para
mm,
ma-understand din nila kung ano nangyari. Ganyan naman yan. Usually naman, nang nagagalit sila kasi hindi nila naiintindihan. Like, yung pagdating, hindi nila naiintindihan. Pero pag you better explain it naman, pag naiintindihan naman yun, hindi na sila magagalit. Tapos tapos apologetic ka pa, 'di ba? So medyo ano 'yan, medyo ano ka sa
plus.
customer service doon kasi you know how to handle them eh. Hindi naman sila nagagalit na pag apologetic ka na agad. So,
Wow.
so ganun pa yung approach. Medyo dapat humble ka agad. Sa umpisa
Yeah.
pa lang, na hindi ka nakikipag-away sa patient. Which is
Oh,
kailangan naman talaga. Hindi ka talaga nakikipag-away. Kailangan makapakita mo sa kanila na you're there to help, na hindi ka naman nakikipag-away, ganyan. So, ganun lang.
yeah,
Ganun
Bing.
lang
Alam
siya.
ko naman di ka nakikipag-away. So, thank you. I mean, I really admire how you have grown sa VA job mo. And I know back then sa Manulife, very emotional tayo, sensitive tayo. Pero kailangan natin maging resilient to face iba't ibang klaseng
Um,
tao, di ba? So, okay, number 3 question. What tools or resources did you make sure to have in place before starting your work as a VA? Were there any particular software or skills that proved essential. So nabanggit mo yung typing skills mo, in-improve mo. Computer that time, is it like sa ate mo ba that time or bumili ka ng bago? Alam ko, nag-purchase ka, 'di ba, through your credit card? Yes.
Nakakatawa kasi nag-purchase ako. Parang magte-training pa lang, nag-purchase na ako ng na
Investment talaga.
tool. So talagang magkano yun? Nasa 45K yun. Sabi ko, hindi ako pwede, hindi po masaya training kasi
Ah,
nag-purchase na ako. Parang
anong
gano'n.
brand
So
yon?
gano'n
Anong
siya
brand?
ka-motivate. Acer. Acer
Acer.
siya.
So
Parang
far, so
gaming
good naman
laptop
siya.
nga
Anong
rin
specs
to.
niya? Core i3, Core
i5
i5? Okay.
din. i5 din siya.
Mm-mm.
Um, During that time, ito yung latest yata nila. Until now, ginagamit ko siya. 3 years na ako, di ba? three
Mm-mm.
years na ako from now.
Okay,
So, okay naman. Better.
I also want to
Yeah.
encourage like to have your maintenance ng laptop or computer, at least a technician or
Mm.
IT to check. Pero sabi nila you can actually do yung cleaning on your own, pero I still need to research how to do that. Bing, how about headset or like mga iba mo pang tools
Well, with
or software,
headset,
yeah.
then, with headset, same lang din naman noise
No
cancelling.
sense.
Noise cancelling. With ano naman, software, I don't think, nag-ano naman ako ng mga software. Pag may problema kasi, di ba, with Hello Rich, we can, call naman yung mga technician pag hindi tayo nakakapasok dun
Yeah.
sa, di ba, yan yung good news pag kapag nasa agency ka eh. Pag kunwari may problema ka, hindi mo talaga magamit yung tools mo is makakakuha ka ng technical support sa kanila. So, it's good din na
You're
nasa
using
agency
VPN
ako.
din, Beng. VPN to access
Yeah,
system nila. Okay.
VPN.
Very important. Pero sagot yan ni client or ni Hello Rage? Kasi for me, I'm paying for it from my own pocket.
VPN kay Hello Rich College.
Ah, wow. Nice, nice. Nice yan.
Mm.
Sige, ano pa bang skills? Okay na pag-usapan na yung typing mo, 'di ba? Tapos okay ka naman na sa customer service, sa English mo. So, very good. Number 4, this is the last na din. I know you need to help. I need to rest some more before you prepare for your shift. Anong oras pala shift mo?
One.
1
1
pa,
a.m.
makakasleep ka pa.
Ah,
So,
ah.
as a VA who specializes, in healthcare, ganyan, what advice would you give to others who aspire to join the platform? Can you share any personal experience or tips that help you succeed in passing the exams or getting hired?
Well, actually, dream job ko kasi work from home job. Parang, before naman kasi pandemic, wala naman kasi work from home. Pero dream job ko siya. So, para dun sa mga nanay at yung mga people na gusto talaga mag-work from home, it's actually worth it to actually try to do this kind of work kasi talaga makakasave ka ng time, makakasave ka ng money, and at the same time, makakapag-earn ka pa ng much more than what you can earn. The Philippines kasi, syempre, hindi naman ganun kalaki ang
May
sahod. So,
60 a month si Beng. $7 per hour,
okay,
di ba?
masala
Complete mo
kita.
yung 8
Yeah.
hours. Complete mo yung 8 hours. 40
As
hours a
of
month.
now, in the 60 hour, I think the 60 hours to. Tama ba? 60 hours?
Mm-mm. Di ba
60
help ka
hours.
pa ni Hello Rich to get the rest of the hours na kulang?
Sa kasi sa Hello, parang ang per 30 to 40 kasi. So 30 is actually
Kapasok naman. Full-time na din.
pasok siya sa full time. So ayos lang din naman kasi 6 hours pa lang pagod na ako eh. Tapos magtatrabaho ka pa dito sa
Pahinga mo
bahay.
na.
So feeling ko carry naman yun. Pero sabi nung boss ko, baka nga mag-extend pa kami ng ibang, ng ng more than 30 hours pa per week kasi sobrang
Wow.
dami na naming claims, sobrang dami na naming things, ang dami ko na kailangan i-follow up. So yung mga kasama ko nga, which is mga care coordinators namin, nasa 40s na sila ngayon. Before 30s lang talaga sila. So,
Wow.
medyo nag-expand din kami ngayon. So, hopefully, sana 8 hours the next time. Okay
Ayan.
naman.
Awesome naman. Like, I wanna ask you some more questions, diba? Pero, yeah, mag-wrap up na tayo almost. Pero I wanna learn, like, yung last questions ko with the VAs I interviewed for YouTube ko. Do you see yourself, like, working 5 to 10 more years as VA, working from home? And why? Like, for sure, children, spending time with them, work-life balance, and ang galing kasi your client seems to love you as medical biller ngayon. Like, kinakapa mo siya nung una pero ngayon namamaster mo na. Kahit tulog ka yata, kaya mo na siyang gawin. So yeah, staying in the industry as VA for 5 to 10 or more years pa. Why?
I'm not sure if I would stay as a VA. Hindi natin alam kasi kung ano mangyayari bukas, kung may
Yeah.
iba pa bang offer, kung may pa ba akong mas magandang work na opportunity na mas pwedeng gawin. Pero as a VA, okay naman siya as a work from home job. I mean, I was thinking baka ito yung isang ladder to have my future work. Like yung mga previous work ko before na nagamit ko rin. I'm not sure. Pero yeah, as of now, I'm enjoying to be becoming a virtual assistant naman sa medical builder. Actually, feeling ko bagay na bagay siya sa akin. Bagay
Wow.
na bagay siya sa akin. Kasi, ay naman yung mga job naman kasi, binabagayan mo yung tao. So,
Nice,
pag
nice.
bagay sa yung job mo, magtatagal ka dun at may enjoy mo rin. Kasi, so, hanapin lang natin yung mga work na bagay sa atin. Madami naman kasi mga different kinds of VAs, di ba? Pero hindi lahat ng yun bagay sa'yo. Parang ganun.
Mm.
So, parang before, apprentice ako, feeling ko, okay naman siya. However, kasi nagtitake kasi ng call. So, for 8 hours, nagtitake ako ng calls during that time. Okay naman. Kaya ano, parang feeling ko nasa call center pa rin ako. Ganun.
Mm-mm.
So, pag medical dollar kasi, parang may time lang na magtitake ka ng calls, may time lang na hindi naman, na mag-ano. Depende kasi sa work. Kung ano
Mm-mm.
yung bagay sa'yo. So, you have to know kung ano yung bagay sa'yo.
Yeah.
Para magtatagal ka, at the same time, you will enjoy the work.
Mm-mm. How long ka na pala sa
Ayan,
client mo ngayon? How long ka na?
1.5,
Awesome. I
one
mean,
and a
I
half,
want to commend you also,
or
Beng, di
two
ba?
years.
We were just navigating paano mag-virtual assistant that time and wala tayong mga like webinars for joining or like orientation, di ba? How to go about it. Kaya I'm so grateful for you. I'm honored to have you here to help our students, have ideas, valuable insights, paano sila mata-transition in case they decide to start becoming VA in the future. So thank you so much. I hope to our students who are here today, you find yung mga insights ni Beng helpful, especially for healthcare VAs. We can still reach out to her if you need advice. And si Sir Marco is also from Hello Rage. I'm from Hello Rage and I can really say na yung training namin doon, kahit nakakaiyak na parang kinakabahan ka, papasaba kami sa phone certification, papasaba kami sa admin task, which is naging, ano naman, successful naman. I mean, very, very good training yun. We were trained really sa documentation, compliance, phone certification, tsaka customer service. So, very, very good training yan for HelloRage. I mean, after mo mag-HelloRage, kahit saang healthcare clinic ka na, meron ka ng balang baon-baon. So, thank you so much, Beng. Yeah, I
Thank
would
you.
I would love to invite you again maybe in the future to help our healthcare aspiring VAs, maybe teach them sa mga maybe phone certification maybe or how do you do medical billing? Like for some, they really get certification to become medical biller, right? So I'm also like blessed to learn that sa BPO company, I was applying medical biller 3 na pala ako kahit na insurance verification lang yun at saka pag-charge sa mga credit cards. So I'm looking forward pa na makapag-upskill tayo to coding din, di ba? So yeah, for everyone, let's reach out to Beng if you have questions. And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Beng. You can actually go if you need to do something else. We'll go with the Q&A if you can have some more time. We can ask Beng, we can ask Sir Mark. Let's pin them both. Yeah, we're open for our question and answer portion. Let me pin Sir Mark. Ayan. So go ahead. Anyone who has questions, andito kami tatlo to answer. Oh, welcome to CM Grajales. Oh, nagawa ko na pala yung ano nito, banner niya sa LinkedIn. So, thank you. Welcome. Medyo na late ka. So, thank you. I hope you will be able to finish all 4 Fridays so you have certificate which you can just pay 100 yan para meron tayong certification and support na rin sa academy. Any questions, guys? Wala ba dito ang aspiring healthcare or even just basics of becoming a VA, maybe tools you can prepare or what else do you need to know? Yeah. just ask away. Oh, si Ate Emmy, go ahead. Question.
Hi, good evening. Mag-ask lang ako regarding sa qualifying exam normally for mga VAs. Can you give us some idea? Sorry, kasi totally wala akong idea sa VA. So, kasi from construction ako admin. General admin lang actually ang pinaka-target ko to apply for a VA. So, ano yung kasi I know more on medical field kayo. So, pwedeng bigyan niyo kami ng idea lang normally kung ano yung mga qualifying exams pag mag-a-apply. Thank you.
Thank you, Ate, for that question. Sir Mark, would you wanna go first?
Doon sa Hello Rage, bale, nauna yung exam ano, kaysa interview. So, um, nahanap ko yung notes ko. Meron dong sa computer navigation, tapos meron sa medical jargon. Parang three-part yun eh. Di ko maalala yung isang part. Yung first part pala is referral writing. So, nung time na yun, talagang clueless ako kung anong meron. So, parang kinugoogle ko lahat. So, dahil naman may internet naman, so kahit ano naman pwede mo naman i-google. Ganun din sa mga quizzes, ganyan. Pwede mo i-google yun. Hindi naman siya bawal. So, yung sa Hello Rich, yung referral letter. So, referral is from the primary care doctor dun sa specialist, i-refer yung patient. Gagawa ka ng referral letter mo. Tapos yung pangalawa is mm, medical ata. O, tapos yung isa sa computer. Basic stuff lang naman. Hindi naman siya parang board exams na ano.
Mm.
Hindi naman siya talaga ano. Parang i-gauge lang din nila yung kung ano yung uh, cap- capacity mo as na mag-written exam.
So I
Thank you.
thank you for sharing, Sir Mark. I believe it's more of healthcare na industry, right? So I'm thinking for Ate Emmy, since nasa construction siya, and tama ba ate, nag-hospitality and cruise ka rin, di ba? So, I mean, your niche can be general virtual assistance or customer service. We'll study
Mm.
more about the niche sa ating second day.
Yes.
Saan natin pwede i-position yung sarili natin and what services we can offer sa clients. So, yeah, we'll discover sa ating next webinar. Any more questions? I see is it Maria? Yeah, na mentor namin to ni Sir Mark. She was asking Belle saan siya nag-training medical code billing. I believe Miss Maria natutunan lang din ni Beng through experience niya sa job niya kasi tinitrain din yan sila or kami tayo ititrain din naman tayo before tayo isabak sa real job. So don't worry. I mean, some agencies would train you sa mga basic tasks, but yeah, exploring, getting some certification or short courses can help you. And if you're like wanting to learn about medical billing, you can learn. You have a lot of resources on YouTube. Like I'm following a university, it's called Inlera University. You'll be learning about revenue cycle management sa mga clinics. Yeah. So any more question? Maybe Sir Mark, if we can answer like a more generalized answer for virtual assistants kasi inopen ko to siya for everyone, not just for healthcare. Any more questions? So Caesar Mark pala will help us with phone certification. We want to hear how fluent you are or where we can help you improve sa iyong English proficiency. Hello Rich is an agency leading you to different clients. So Ate Kathy, Hello Rich is a healthcare VA agency. They're looking for dentists, nurses, medical professionals. So I believe, Ate Kia, anong background mo? Construction, right? Or are you into more of admin or
Yes.
creatives construction?
Yes, construction, it's more of ano to, parang sales of products
Mm, okay.
and support for the service people, ganyan.
I think may comprehensive background ka na rin kasi you can do admin. You can
Mhm.
offer your services as customer support, also sa products and sales. Maybe you
Sales and
can
purchasing also.
purchase it.
Purchasing.
You go through billing din ba?
Medyo may background ako with
Yeah.
billing na before.
Yeah, I think if you have comprehensive experience na ate, you don't need to worry about agencies or clients na pwede mo makuha kasi ano ka na, package ka na eh. Marami ka ng knowledge
I
about
just
your industry.
Hindi, I
So,
just wanted to understand yung tawag dito, ano yun? Parang how do you get, are you applying through a client or through an agency or paano ba yun?
so
How do you get the job?
okay, how do you get the job? So, thank you for your question. So, ako personally, and what I would suggest also is to apply sa agencies kasi Upwork is a place for direct clients. And I learned that meron na silang charge na 15% from what you will earn. So, I don't really encourage everyone to start with Upwork, going to direct clients. But meron din akong na-interview na customer service VA na two yung part-time niya na direct clients and one full-time. So, never pa niya na-try din mag-agency. Well, actually, depende kung saan kayo ma-expose una. Pero, I suggest we first improve your resume and then we optimize our LinkedIn and all job sites. Upwork,
Mm.
Indeed, that's where you will get notification directly to your email ng mga possible na work mo. Like, kasi ititik mo yung mga services you can offer like admin, sales,
Mhm.
customer support, and then iti-tailor na ng job sites what job you can apply and then you just apply from your inbox directly. Yes.
Okay.
And go
Mhm.
ahead, Te.
Is there another venue aside from LinkedIn? Kasi I'm not active on LinkedIn.
Indeed is a good
Mm. Okay.
venue also. Sir Mark, may alam
Mhm.
pa ba kayo kung saan ka nag-apply ng mga virtual assistant jobs? For general maybe, not only for healthcare. Mm.
Ako sa virtual lasting. Parang Cebu based yung pero US US clients din. So
Mm-mm.
may free training. Nung time ko may free training pa. Parang yung first three batches free. Tapos later on, naningil na rin sila nung dumadami rin yung mga
Mhm.
nag-enroll.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Virtual, hosting?
Virtual lasting.
Oh,
LASTING.
wait.
As yung nila yung trainings
MBH.
nila is Virtual Assistant University. So,
Mm.
So, i-share ko lang din yung mga agencies I applied to before na help me find clients. So, honest taskers yung reason. I actually told them that I'm launching yung academy and said, congratulations, Kat, sa academy mo, and we hope to connect with you once they're ready. So, we're hoping now we can refer to them, diba? Virtual assistants. Cool Blue VA, they're training for admin. You can actually earn sa first 2 weeks mo kasi while doing admin or back office, while wala ka pang client, you can help out with finding clients for their agency. Quick team also, that's where I found my job, medical records specialist. What else?
Mhm.
Marami actually, pero the reminder is to be careful kasi marami ring scams right now where
Yeah.
they hire you pero they don't really pay. So wala ka na lang ding connections na or maririnig from them. Sayang naman yung effort mo. So be careful then. You can read about reviews um or a virtual assistant or for example a company honest taskers job reviews nasabihin nila dun yung income mo or what's the culture or yeah well actually depende rin sa mga clients na ma-encounter nyo it's actually we can't really generalize like it's a unique experience for everyone so I'm happy Ate Kat na you're here to learn more about
Oo.
it we'll learn kung ano pa yung possible na niche mo on the second day yeah please
Okay.
ask go ahead
Yeah, I have another question.
yes.
Is VA more of like a voice ang kanyang kailangan mong ma-equip or meron din siya usually pang lang typing or like a back office work yung ginagawa.
Ate, for you, I challenge you to go with the voice na. Kasi kaya mo naman mag-English. Bakit ka pa magsha-shy na magna-non-voice ka? I mean, i-maximize mo na para go-to person ka na nila, 'di ba? Uy, pakitawagan nga ito, 'di
Hindi
ba?
naman. Okay. Hindi, syempre yung mga task probably could be new. Tsaka syempre kailangan medyo may pagka-octopus yung dating mo, di ba? Lahat
Sabi ko
napipindutin
na nga
mo,
pala yan.
yun.
Magaling
Kasi
ka na ba mag-type?
hindi, I've tried applying before kasi sa call center. It wasn't easy. Una,
Ah,
I gave up because of yung nighttime na work kasi ang start ng work is 11 tapos 7 umaga. Tapos ang isa pa, yung alam mo yung tulog yung diwa mo habang magkatrabaho ka or magka-train ka.
yeah, yeah.
It won't sink in talaga eh. So I gave up on it. Pero ang ganda sana ng training. Sa ano yun eh, sa Convergys. Maganda yung training nila.
So
Sobrang
di ka
ganda.
tayo nakatry ng BPO, right?
Hindi, dun lang sa training. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko kakayanin yung ganong oras ng work.
Okay.
Tapos
So
may,
if,
may experience naman ako with like a foreign company, US siya. Pero more of kasi clerical admin work. Documents, checking
baka nga
billing.
sa
Ganyan.
non-voice ka mas effective ate, no?
Oo,
Di
yung
ka
ganon.
comfortable with talking to clients. So,
Hindi naman.
Sir Mark, may question about the agency. Is it virtual lasting daw sabi ni Lizelle? Can you type it po sa chat
Ayun.
so she'll know about it. So, yes ate, baka nga sa non-voice ka. Tapos, you can do admin task remotely na lang. Kung ayaw mo masyadong kausapin ka ni client.
Yeah, okay lang naman. Ang ano ko lang, mahirap lang sa mga software lang and apps to move from one window to another. So, dapat ganun kakabilis sa ata.
Tech savvy dapat, yes.
Ayun, dapat
Pero
medyo
'di ba
mabilis.
ano ka naman te mag-navigate ng laptop mo? Okay ka naman.
Okay naman kasi may mga, karami ng ibang social media, I'm not familiar. Yung Facebook, hindi ako ma-Facebook.
Okay.
Messenger lang. I just use it
So,
for
introduce ko na sa'yo si LinkedIn. Sa LinkedIn ka na lang magbabad. Kasi,
Ah,
siya, professional platform. So, yeah.
sa bagay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kaso nga
Thank you.
lang yung boss ko, baka makita ako dun sa ano.
Di naman. I mean, right natin kasi free platform yun, no? I mean, di ka naman
Okay.
mapipigilan ni boss if you wanna like aim for future
Baka
virtual
pagdating mo sa
assistant
office,
job.
tutulog-tulog yung ganong
Oo. So, I
Ayun.
suggest siguro Australian account sa ito para morning pa rin.
Okay, sige. Okay.
Yeah.
Sige. Thank you. Baka may iba pang gusto magtanong.
Go ahead
Sige.
kung sino pa
Type na
gusto
if I have other questions.
mag-question. Yeah, you can type ate sa chat. And you can message me po. Sobrang busy mo rin.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, so just reminders, we have VA resources nakapin doon sa ating group chat. And kung wala pang ebook, I can share that. Yung Google form, that's practice for your job application. Let me know saan kayo na-challenge sa pag-attach ba ng mga documents nyo or pag sa typing test ba or paglalagay ng mga ano pa ba. And yeah, let's do the Canva resume and LinkedIn optimization kasi may mga nag-message din sa akin doon if I'm open to job. Anything else you want to add, Sir Mark? Kung nag-iisip pa sila ng questions.
Sir Mark,
Sir
ay,
Mark,
sorry. Yung isa po, yung isang agency, hindi ko nakuha, sorry.
agency. Virtual lasting, sir? Virtual lasting ba yung spelling niya?
Virtual lasting.
Yan,
Hindi, yung ano,
VI.
yung sa training niya kasi Virtual Assistant University.
University muna tapos may Thank you. What are you learning? Yeah, what are you getting from this webinar?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I learned a lot to this day, even though it's the first day. And this is not first time for me to attend virtual school or class. I remember last year I enrolled in an academy as a
Mm,
virtual assistant, just to
awesome.
enhance my skills and to prepare for the future, because I do plan to uh, find a job which is work from home,
Mm-hmm.
because working from home, there's a lot of benefits as you mentioned during your presentation earlier. Then all the info or the details that you've shared, it's similar with the
Mm,
first one that I've been attended. And I think being a virtual assistant is not an easy process, or it's not an easy way. It's more on like upscaling.
Mm-mm.
So if we want to pursue this career, we need to, like what you said, join with those Facebook group, or any free website like the Udemy,
Mm-mm.
Udemy Academy,
Yes.
I think. Yeah. So, because right now I am working as an HR admin specialist in a BPO company.
Mm-hmm.
However, prior to that, I do have a previous experience as a customer service associate, handling
Wow.
billing and general inquiries in Convergys before. So, and that's why I am so interested to
Mm-hmm.
explore and to join some virtual classes, because I believe this will help me a lot to prepare my transitioning period from working on site into work from home.
Mm-mm.
That's it. And uh, I think consistency is the key
Yeah.
for being
Awesome.
a virtual. And I have these questions since you are working as a medical biller. Am I correct? Um,
Yes.
My husband is a registered nurse. He is working in
Wow.
a hospital, assigning in a laboratory.
Mm-mm.
Uh, if I may ask, what are those qualifications that the agency required during your applications as a medical biller?
So, I remember I wanna share from Hello Rach, two task lang talaga kami na train. Phone certification at saka admin task. Yung medical billing is something you will learn along the way. Natutunan ko lang yan sa Cool Blue VA. Under ako ng isang neurology center. Parang inassign ako na, oh, pakicharge na tong credit card ng patient. Ito yung credit card niya. So, kailangan mo i-navigate yung system. Tapos, insurance verification is very important. You need to learn about the US culture, the healthcare system, like ano yung Medicare. Kung marami
Mm,
silang insurances, priority yung Medicare kasi government paid yan. So,
mm,
malaki rin sila magbayad kaya pinaprioritize yan sila. So, I suggest he could go to Inlera. I'll type the YouTube. Inlera
mm,
University to learn more about billing, medical
mm,
coding a little, to learn more about insurance verification. So it's basically learning about eligibility ng patients kung kayang i-cover ng insurance nila yung services ng clinic. And
mm,
then, yeah, you learn about Medicare and mga commercial insurances ng US. Yun naman ang
mm,
importante. Magandang exposure just to try everything like kung saan mo matutulungan yung client. Pero
mm,
yun yung naisip mong where your husband can, yung niche ng husband mo, pwede niyang itry medical. Ay, kasi sabi ko nga pala, in
I
demand
think
sila sa
so.
healthcare. Medical
Yeah.
billing and coding, yeah. I
Mm,
mean, you can actually handle your own time. Maybe hindi mo na kailangan mag 8 hours with the client kasi magre-resibo-resibo ka lang yan, magko-consolidate ka lang yan on your own time.
mm,
So, maganda rin yan i-pursue. Yeah, we invite your
mm,
husband to join our class or join our webinar and maybe apply in Hello Rich in the future. So, invite mo siya.
mm.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, sis, for
Okay,
sharing.
thank
Anything
you.
else? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, thank you.
And for you naman, I feel like yung niche mo is sa admin, may customer service ka
Mm,
pa. Pwede ka ring maging recruiter ng agency actually, since you're screening applicants, right? And I can ask help from you maybe if we have an
mm,
agency na full of VAs na ready na, di ba? We can
mm.
connect them with clients. So we just need
Yeah,
to find
sure.
saan yung clients na yun and I need to learn how to screen
Mm.
um applicants. So can we hear from Nympha naman? Sis, what are you learning from this webinar? What are your thoughts, your plans?
Hello, good evening. Wait, hello.
Hello.
Hello, wait,
Sige.
I'm learning a lot in terms of, well, the terms, talagang basic, very
Mm,
basic pa. But I would like to know about even yung mga um you said yung agencies and all that. So as you hear me, it seems like I'm really new to this, no, because
Yeah.
I've been working like not really virtually, but really going to the office and all that. So it's a really a new field for me. But then I'm just open to, as Ada said, just to upscale yourself and all those things. So if I can see that it's a possible way for me to also expand my skills. For example, yung ano pala siya, gabi pala siya, no? Yung hindi ko pala kaya, yung gising ng gabi, mga ganon. Pero at least I knew that,
Yeah.
okay, it is not for me. Because I tried before, applying sa call center and all that. But it seems like it's not the path for me, hindi siya, parang hindi yun yung hindi ako dun pinupunta ni Lord or baka
Ah.
ako lang yun. But right now, I would like to ano lang to well, it's a new world naman, 'di ba? I mean, well for me po kayo ay ano naman na I mean, you know a lot on this field. But then maybe I can practice my background then in other setting like you went to the field already, you went to this one. How about virtually? So it's like
Yeah.
also internationally, right? So there, yun pa lang po yung feedback ko. So I'm looking forward and Miss Kat
Wow.
for
Scat.
one-on-one session to
Yes.
ask advice about resume, 'di ba? Yung mga ganun update.
Yeah.
Because well, I'm in the education field and we have our let's say own system also of advancing ganyan. But then
Yeah.
let's see lang. So I'm here to really learn.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Nifa, for your input. I mean, I appreciate like you're thinking about where ka medyo weak, where you need to improve, and like you feel like baka hindi to para sa akin or ako lang. I know you need some processing dito. And you need someone wiser God to advise you kasi I know you've been ano na, staying in the church for a long time, and I know you seek advice talaga before you make a decision. And this would be a major decision for you. Like I will be interviewing Miss Sheila nga to create like a YouTube video for ESL online teachers. I mean, that's something you can pursue if you want to like try to make it a side hustle. You will still teach young children English. And I think you'll also have fun because you'll be creative with your headband, with your toys, just to teach ABC and the basic words, cat, dogs. It's so easy. You will earn like extra pa. Pero that's on top of your 8 to 5 job. Pero I don't want you to like, exhaust yourself too much. But if you can lang, you try to explore the virtual world. I mean, that's where you can start. And you mentioned about science. I'm not sure if Hello Rage accepts those who have like science background, but more of medical professional talaga eh. I think you can excel more as a professor teacher. Maybe in the future you can have like consulting agency for science teachers, science classes. That's where I'm like envisioning you will like flourish. Yeah, but you can work more on finding your strengths and what skills you need to develop maybe on our one-on-one mentoring. Thank you so much. Looking forward. One more. 6:30 tayo. Aalis si Miss Sheila. May class daw siya. We wanna learn from sino pa hindi nagsasalita dito? I heard Carmina na si Vic Vic. Let's hear from Vic kaya. Vic! Since you don't have plan to become VA pa, sabi mo in the far future pa, what are you learning from this? I hope helpful kami. Vic, can you share? Ready ba si Vic? Let's see. Let's have Mina kaya or Maro.
Pass
Or
muna ako ngayon.
pass mo na siya. Or
I'm on
CCM.
duty.
Or you're on duty. Okay, focus ka dyan. CM, Maro, or Mina. Anything you'd like to share? We'll end by 6:30. We'll just take photo. Hello? Anything from you guys? I mean, kung ako client, tapos wala sumasagot sa akin, hello?
Ako na lang.
Sige.
Ayun, siguro ang share ko lang. So, yan, excited lang ako sa mga malalaman ko patungkol sa virtual assistants. And since, yan nga, currently searching for a job naman ako. So, feeling ko will din ni Lord na yun, nag-handle ako ng customer service, pero yun, before was local lang. So, I try to apply din sa mga international accounts. Yun nga lang, hindi pa ako confident to speak. So, buti na lang merong Tribe Freelancing Academy, si Sis Cathy.
Yeah.
And this is the opportunity to, yun nga, to be confident in speaking. Ayun, katulad
Yes.
kanina, parang, ano ba, magsasalita ba ako? Ano na
Go.
eh, parang
Huwag ka na
nag-roll.
magdalawang isip.
Ayan, so, yun lang, parang sa akin, it's a one step forward dun sa pagiging confident in terms of speaking. Yan, to enhance
Yeah.
pa yung communication skills. Yan lang.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing. I mean, yeah, that's where we want to empower aspiring virtual assistants sa confidence. Kasi, ewan ko ba, I love talking talaga and sometimes I need to be reminded I'm talking too much. Pero, yan. I wanna teach people to just be expressive and vulnerable. I mean, we're learning naman yung boundaries na and kung we have core group, yung mga personal things sa kanila na lang. And kung you're saying something valuable naman, helpful sa client, ba't ka naman, di ba, magiging timid or shy? So, you're there to help eh. You need to be assertive. And if you feel like you're a problem solver, you thought of something that would be helpful sa client, go, sabi mo. And ma-appreciate pa nila yung input mo, di ba? And trial error lang naman yan kung yung sinuggest mo ay ayaw nila. We will respect it and we'll grow more on learning how to help clients with suggesting, being assertive, how you can help. Let's hear from Maro, maybe, or Mina. Or si Miss Maria
Sorry, I
pala.
was eating.
Okay. Any input lang, kahit short? Are you eating now? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm done.
Sige. I'm happy you're here.
Hi. Um, Thankful ako dun sa pag-invite sa akin ni Thanks, Kat. Um, I was a bit curious kasi kung ano yung virtual assistant 101. Although, meron na ako yung experience about virtual assistants, pero hindi siya yung in-depth talaga na knowledge about it. And um, excited akong matuto pa in the future.
Yeah.
So, yun. Very helpful this first day. Pero, yun nga, hindi ako masyadong nakapag, ano kanina, kasi nasa jeep ako.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
Okay. No problem. I'll be providing PDF file na tong ating presentation. Tapos, recording din if you want. Tapos, si partner mo, sabi mo, is nurse. So, sabi ko sa'yo, I'm envisioning him na sa bahay na lang siya mag-work and hindi na siya alam mo yun, madadrain sa mga patient
Yeah.
care. Sa
Mm-mm.
bahay na lang siya.
Pero ang
Ma-reserve
problem niya
niya yung
kasi
energy
is,
niya.
yeah, ang problem niya kasi is hindi
Computer.
siya yung
Mm.
fluent in English, hindi siya yung
Ay,
tech.
i-practice mo na siya, Maro. Mag-English kayo sa house.
Tap.
I-practice mo siya sa confidence din. Hawaan mo na
Okay.
rin. Thank you for being here. Looking forward that you join also the second day. Can we hear from
Yeah,
Miss Maria?
thank you.
Thank you. Miss Maria.
Hi, good evening.
Tama ba? Si Miss Maria ba to? Yung
Yes po.
healthcare VA na gustong maging Hello Rich? Ba?
No, ma'am.
Ay, sorry. Marami ba tayong
Um,
Maria? Okay, sorry.
yes. Good evening. I am being familiar uh, on how to get a direct client or even an agency. So, thank you po dito sa webinar kasi nagkakaroon ako ng idea
Mm-mm.
paano i-optimize yung mga profiles and or i-improve yung mga CV, yung
Mm-mm.
resume natin. So, excited din ako para mag-gauge yung ano ko, yung skills ko. Like for
Mm-mm.
example, uh, yung sa admin exam and phone certification. So, nag-ano ako, nag-look forward po ako doon.
Mm-mm.
And
Okay.
yun, same with Ma'am CM. Uh, I am having difficulty po
CM.
sa yes ma. Yes po. Having difficulty po in in speaking. So gusto kong ma-overcome yung fear ngayon para
Yeah.
mas apo. So para mas ano siya, hindi ako yung fear na yun once na overcome ko, maaano
Mm-mm.
ko yung pag-VA. Parang maano ko yung
Yeah.
opportunity. So, gusto kong tanggalin siya. So,
Yeah.
nagtatry ako mag-join ng mga ganito.
Awesome. And I honor you, commend you for having the courage to speak right now. I mean, meron kang fina-fight na self-defeating thoughts sa mind mo na huwag kang magsalita, magsasalita ka ba, huwag kang magsalita. So I'm happy you took the courage to, just speak up. And last kaya
Yes
from
po.
Miss Mina. Miss
Thank
Mina,
you.
you wanna share something? Then we'll have
Hello po.
pictorial. Yes.
Good evening po. Ayan. Thank you po sa ano ba? Thank you po for letting me share something here and ano bang feedback ko. Very thankful ako kasi may mga ganitong opportunities. Ako, pasensya na kasama ko po yung
Okay. Okay.
Ayun. Ayun, may ganitong opportunities, matututo tayo. Then, yun. Ano kasi din ako, looking ako for job. And then, meron sa, bali disciple ako din, kami ni Catherine, ayan. So, meron na isang disciple na nag-share sa akin na magkakaroon nga daw si Miss Catherine ng ganito, ano yun, transition to virtual assistance. So, ayun, ginrab ko din kasi may matututunan ka, yun. And then, syempre, yun, I mean, makakatulong din sa atin to, especially, um, like yung ganyan, kung gusto nating mag-pursue as VA, and very helpful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Mina. I believe nag-one-on-one na tayo na we work on your resume.
Yes.
Tapos yung LinkedIn profile mo din, may banner ka na, di ba?
Oo, meron na.
Yeah, so,
Salamat.
sure,
Hindi ako
sure. Nawala
medyo
po kayo.
garal-gal.
Ayan. Thank you so much. So, for everyone who wants to have one-on-one mentoring to help you with your resume, tapos LinkedIn optimization, that's the best thing to do if you want to, build yourself online. So, let's take photo. Everyone, open cam. Ayan. Si Maria. Galing ka ba, Maria, sa LinkedIn? Kung maalala, saan ko siya na-meet.
No po.
Okay.
From social media po.
Ay, tika, di nga
Share.
kita makita na cover ka na ng background. Sige, para makita kita, remove mo na lang, please. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. Looking forward to see you on our second day. Ate Kati, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So please message me. We'll just prepare yung PDF file nito and recording. Iko-compile lang natin. And just message me, hello, baby, for anything you need. Information more about VA. Thank you so much. Have a great
you.
day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Magnap lang din ako to get ready for work. Have a good night. See you on
Have a good night,
our next
everyone.
session. Webinar
Night.
day 2,
Thank you,
Friday
bye.
next week. This is my birthday offering. Please join me.
Happy birthday.
Celebrate in
Thank
advance na.
you.
Bye! Thank you,
Bye.
Sir Mark. Bye.
Bye-bye.